Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add tabs to your store or your product pages on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now you can do this in three ways. You can use a theme that has them included. You can add them via your own custom code, or you can just use apps which make that readily available and easy to use. Now I'm going to show you the first two ways. I'm not going to browse through the apps. There are several apps you can use, but I'll leave the research for them to you. Some of them might be paid, so keep that in mind, but if you want an easy solution, that's pretty much as easy as it gets. Now, some themes are also paid for, so if you have a premium plan, you can get the themes and then you can use them as well. I don't have any, so I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to show you how you can find your themes, and you can also edit your themes and their code. So if you go into online store, that's going to take you to themes, and here you can browse the theme store to search for any themes that might have tabs. If you go to the theme store, you can just go ahead and select a filter which filters out themes that have tabs built in. So for example, you can select the price, the industry, the catalog size, and the features. So I'm just going to go into features, and there might be tabs somewhere here in the features, or there might not be. I can't find them, so I'm just going to give up on that. But you can find a theme that has the required tabs. As you can see, they can get quite expensive, up to $400 USD, but that pretty much doesn't matter. Now, what I've mentioned also, which I'll show you how to do, is how to add tabs via code. Now, you can just go into your theme, go into edit code, and you're going to need to find your product liquid, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So just go into your sections and find the product or product template. So you need to find it somewhere. I'm not sure where it is found. I keep forgetting where it is, but there should be a product tab somewhere here. Now, it used to be product template, now it's main product, so you can add it here. So just scroll down until you get to the head or the needed section. So I'm just going to go down until I find it, and yeah, you can add it pretty much wherever you want. I'll add it over here, or this is just the product info, so I can add it here. So I'll also go ahead and add it, let's say here. I'll use some code I found on the internet, and this is the code that I found. You can add it. I'm pretty sure I need to add it below this section, so I'm going to do that. But there is scripts here as well, so I guess this might be a good fit. So now that we have our scripts, this is the script that you need. I have found this code over here, so you can also add your CSS to the style CSS liquid or the styles.css file itself. But yeah, for that you need to go into assets, which are somewhere here. Let's go there. And now you have custom CSS somewhere here, or customer CSS, and you can add it wherever you need. I'll just add it to the customer. I'm pretty sure this is where it's supposed to go. I might be wrong, so I'll just add it somewhere here. And let's say I add it over here. Pretty sure I'm doing this wrong, but you can do it if you want to. Then just save your changes, and then you can copy this code over here to add the product descriptions as well as other tabs to your code, and that should be pretty much it. Now for this, you want to go back to your product liquid, and I'm just going to add it here at the top. Add this HTML code, click save. Now this probably doesn't work as it should. As you can see, it's invalid JSON code, but it is what it is. You can find out how to do it. I'm not that proficient in coding, but this is a good solution to use if you don't want to spend any money. So you can just go ahead and look up tutorials on the internet on how to do this, as well as maybe go on some free courses to figure out how to code in JSON and CSS and HTML. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.